Okay, yesterday, due to some problem, we are unable to conduct the programmatic lecture. Here, I will write a code regarding array. So yesterday we have seen the program write entered numbers in matrix format. So we'll see once again here. We'll write integer array. Suppose array size row size is 2 and column size is suppose 3. Then variable I for row, variable I for row, variable j for column. Okay, then printf /n, enter the elements or enter the numbers /n. Then for for I equal to 0. Why I equal to 0? Because array starts from 0. This is in case of row. Then I less than 2 because array size or row size is 2. I plus plus. Then this is outer for loop. Then inner for loop for j equal to 0 because column starts from 0th index, j less than 3, so column size is 3, j plus plus, then scanf percentage d and a of I j semicolon. Okay, this code from this for loop, this code is for entering elements to the array. Then next code for entering elements entered numbers in matrix format. So for I equal to 0, here one statement printf /n. For I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Here I want to display elements. That's why I am writing here printf %d a of I, and I want to write in matrix format. So that's why here I am writing the statement printf/n. This is the code for showing entered elements or numbers in matrix format. So we'll execute this. See here, there are some errors. We'll see line number 6. Okay. So enter numbers. Suppose the numbers are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the matrix format. See here, this output is in matrix format. For this, here we'll write one comment or one line. The matrix format is /n. Enter numbers. Suppose entered numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the matrix format. Did you get? See this code carefully and see the output carefully. Suppose here one space is given, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Did you get? Hello, आवाज ऐकू येतोय?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
समजलाय कोड?
Yes, sir.
समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. स्क्रीन वरती दिसतंय. हॅलो,
Hello, sir.
समजलाय का कोड लिहिलेला?
Sir, enter number 6.
एंटर नंबर्स. हॅलो,
6च काय केलेत?
ओके.
म्हणजे जास्त केलं तर चालते का?
What is your array size? How many rows? How many columns? See how many numbers should be entered in that matrix. So if you want to enter more than this, or if you want to take this row size and column size from user side through keyboard, then you should declare look like this. See here, I will modify the program. Suppose I am taking row size is suppose 20 and column size is suppose 30, but I want to take through keyboard row size and column size. So here I will declare two variables P and Q. Okay, P for row size and Q for column size. So I don't know what is the user take row size and column size. Depends on his or her imagination. So that's why I am writing here printf /n enter size of row and column then scanf %d %d and P and Q. Okay, here I am taking row size and column size through keyboard. So here declare row size P, column size Q. Same here, row size P, column size Q. Okay, I will execute this code. Okay, see here, enter size of row and column. Okay, if I enter, suppose here the size of row is 4 and column size is 3. See here, enter size of row and column. Suppose row size is 4, column size is suppose 3. Then enter numbers, total numbers 12, 4 into 3, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 3, enter numbers 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6.
सर
वेट, हाँ बोला कि मैम. And row size suppose 2, column size suppose 2. Enter numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. Okay, see the output. Hello, did you get? तुम्हाला समजतंय? समजलं का? Suppose user want or programmer want to take as per his her requirement number of rows, number of columns through keyboard. Okay. Did you get? समजलंय? कोडिंग मध्ये काही शंका असेल तर विचारा. हॅलो. Okay, we move next part towards next part. Suppose there are two matrix. First matrix is suppose like this, a matrix A, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is matrix A, and this is suppose matrix B, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so matrix A have a size is a 2 by 3, matrix B have size is a 3 by 2, and I want to do addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, what is the condition for addition, subtraction and multiplication? Hello, suppose I want to do addition of two matrices, then is it possible in this case?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible? Suppose I want to add these two matrix, matrix A plus matrix B. Is it possible? Is it possible? We are learning C language and learning teaching process is not a one-way process. It is two-way process. तुम्हाला समजलं नसेल तर समजलं नाही म्हणून सांगा, शिकवता येईल. असं थांबू नका. मला कसं कळणार की तुम्हाला समजलंय समजलं नाहीये? Hello, give any response.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. My question is, I want okay. Tell me first whether screen is visible to you or not. Are you
Yes, sir.
seeing screen? Okay. I have written two matrix, matrix A and matrix B. Okay, matrix A have size 2 by 3, matrix B have size 3 by 2, and I want to add these two matrix. Is it possible?
No.
No, sir.
Why no?
Addition करताना 3 by 3 and
Addition करताना काय पाहिजे की दोन्हींची size, what is the
Same
size
size.
of row and what is the size of column should be same. Okay, in case of addition or subtraction. Okay, suppose both matrices have row size and column size is suppose same. Okay, and I want to add matrix A and B and want to store in C. So here I require three array. Array A, suppose here size I, J for matrix A, for matrix A. So array B for matrix B, and array C for matrix C, where C matrix stores the result A plus B. So how many variables we require? Three arrays, array A, array B, array C. These three arrays we require, and variables require I for row, J for column. Then suppose someone wants to take row size and column size through keyboard, then P and Q. So there are four variables required. So these are row size and column sizes fixed to all array. So these two and these two. Okay, someone wants to take row size and column size through keyboard. That's why here these two variables are required. Did you get? And these three arrays required for array A required for matrix A, array B requires for matrix B, and array C requires storing the result, that is A plus B or A minus B, whatever. Did you get? समजलं इथपर्यंत? So we are declaring, okay, we are going to see the program of addition of two matrices. Okay, see here, declared a array after main, line number 5, see here, integer A of 20, 30, here declared, then four variables also declared. So there is a requirement of two arrays B, suppose 10, 10, okay, 10, 20, and C 20, 20. Okay, then line number 6, see here, enter row size and column size. Okay, you have entered. Then line number 8, printf or enter numbers for matrix, first matrix, for first matrix. Okay, then for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Scanf percentage d and a of ij. Here matrix A is considered as a first matrix. So similarly, I want to enter the elements for second matrix. So enter elements for second matrix. So for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Scanf percentage d and b is considered as the second matrix. So b of ij. Okay, so this is from line number 8 to line number 15. Enter the elements for first matrix. Line number 16 to line number 23. Enter the elements for second matrix. And I want to display the entered numbers in matrix format first. So the first matrix is the first matrix is for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Then printf percentage d space. Space is required for, so space for distinguishing two numbers. Then a of ij, then printf slash n for entering elements to new row. Okay, this is the code for displaying numbers in matrix format of matrix first. Similarly, I want to display second matrix. So the second matrix is, so for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Printf percentage d b of ij. Okay, and I want to do addition. So addition of these two matrix. So here for addition from line number 42 to 49, for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Here I want to do addition of the two matrix. So here c of ij, c of ij is equal to a of ij plus b of ij. So here I have done addition of these two matrix from line number 42 to 49. See here, for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. and here addition is done. C of ij is equal to A of ij plus B of ij. So here addition is done and addition is stored, okay, in memory, and I want to display that addition in matrix format. That's why I'm writing here code. The resultant matrix is for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Printf percentage d space. Here resultant matrix is denoted by array C, so stored in C. So C of ij printf slash n return 0. This is the code for addition of two matrices. We'll see from one line to line. So first at line 5, we have declared three different arrays for three different matrices and four variable I for row, variable j for column, then variable p for row size, variable q for column size. So enter size of row and column. Then enter elements for first matrix. So for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Scanf percentage d a of ij. This is code for matrix first. Similarly, I want to enter elements for second matrix. So for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Scanf percentage d and b I j. Okay, these up to line 23 we have entered elements for matrix A and matrix B. From line 24, here we are going to display entered numbers in matrix formats. So here first line number 24 to 32, this code for the first matrix, representation of first matrix. अर्धा एक 15-20 मिनिट मला लेक्चर चालू आहे पण थांबू कुठं मी 15 मिनिट So line number 24 to line number 32, this is code for a representation of first matrix. So here printf percentage d a of ij. Similarly, from line number 33 to 41, this code for representation of second matrix. Then I want to do addition. So for addition, here code from line number 43 to 50. I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. C of ij is equal to A of ij plus B of ij. This addition is done and stored in memory. I want to display. That's why here code return from line number 50 to line number 60. That is resultant matrix is for I equal to 0, I less than p, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Printf percentage d c of ij. And this is the code for addition of two matrices. We'll see the output. So enter size of row and column. Here we are taking small size, that is 2 by 2. So enter first matrix numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter second matrix numbers 11, 12, 13, 14. So see here, first matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second matrix is 11, 12, 13, 14. And the resultant matrix, see here, okay, see the output carefully. हॅलो हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
कोड समजलाय?
Yes, sir.
तुम्हाला याच्या नोट्स वगैरे दिल्या जातील. कोड कसा लिहायचा कळाला का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कुठल्या स्टेपला प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर विचारा. थोडस फास्ट होत असेल तर सांगा तसं. कुठला पार्ट समजला नसेल तर बिनधास्त विचारा. Okay, we move towards next point. See here, array 1 is written, sorry, matrix 1 is written like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is row 0. Matrix 1 written as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is row 0. This is row 1. Similarly, this is column 0. This is column 1. So, and here B 11, 12, 13, 14. So here column 0, column 1, here row 0, row 1. So for matrix A, elements are stored location A at location A00, first for row, second for column. A00 stored number is 1. A01 stored number is 2. A10 A10 stored number is 3, and A11 stored number is 4. Similarly, for matrix B, so B00, this is row, this is column, stored number is 11. B01 stored number is 12. B10 stored number is 13. B11 stored number is 14. So I want to do addition of these two matrix. So here I have written code for I equal to 0, I less than P. Instead of P, I am taking here 2. I plus plus. Then here for j equal to 0, j less than 2. Instead of Q, I am taking here 2. Then j plus plus. Then here I have written code C of ij is equal to A of ij. Plus B of ij. Then this bracket complete, this bracket complete. Okay, see here, when I equal to 0, when I equal to 0, check this condition, 0 is less than 2, this condition becomes true. Then j equal to 0, j less than 2, this condition is true. So I0, J0, so addition of these I0, J0, A of 0, 0 plus B of 0, 0 element. So go to the this index numbers. A of 0, 0 element is 1 plus B of 0, 0 element is 11. It means 1 plus 11, it becomes 12. So store at the location C of 0, 0. So C of 0, 0 is equal to 12. Okay. Did you get समजले तुम्हाला इथपर्यंत? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after incrementing the value of j, j will becomes 1. J will becomes 1. So 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. At that time, I equal to 0, j is equal to 1. So I equal to 0, j equal to 1. So A of 0, 1. A of 0, 1 plus B of 0, 1. So A of 0, 1 is 2 plus B of 0, 1 is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14 stored at C of 0, 1. So C of 0, 1 is equal to 14. 12 plus 2, 14. Then after incrementing value of j, it becomes a 2. 2 is less than 2. This condition becomes false. So go out of loop and increase value of I. Initial value of I is 0. 0, then 0 plus plus, it will becomes 1. 1 is less than 2. This condition becomes true. So value of I is 1. Then value of j is equal to 0. Value of I is equal to 1. Value of j is equal to 0. So A of 1 0 plus B of 1 0. So A of 1 0 is 3. B of 1 0 is 13. 3 plus 13 is equal to 16, stored at C of 1 0. So C of 1 0 is equal to 16. Then increment value of j. Initial value of j is 0. After incrementing, it will becomes 1. So 1 is less than 2. This becomes true. Value of I is 1. Value of j is 1. So here A of 1 1, A of 1 1 plus B of 1 1. So A of 1 1 is 4. B of 1 1 is 14. 4 plus 14, that is 18, stored in C of 1 1, that is C of 1 1 is equal to 18. So this data is stored. I want to write the resultant data or store the data in matrix format. That's why here code is written as for I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, then for j equal to 0, j less than 2, j plus plus, then printf percentage d space complete bracket double complete comma C of I j. Then in this bracket complete printf slash n. Then this bracket complete this code for displaying the resultant matrix, displaying the results in matrix format. Did you get? तुम्हाला समजलंय? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see this code carefully. Okay. Suppose I want to do subtraction. Hello. Hello. May I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to do subtraction. Then what is the condition? Suppose here matrix is written. Matrix A is written 1, 2, 3, 4. Size is suppose here 2 by 2. Matrix B is written as 11, 12, 13, 14, and size is suppose 2 by 2. Is it possible subtraction?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because size of row and size of column is same. For addition and subtraction, you should have to require size of row and size of column of both matrix are same or should be same. Did you get समझना है?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to do multiplication of these matrices. Suppose 1 minute. Suppose this is a matrix A of 5, 6, and matrix B is suppose 17, 18. And I want to do multiplication of these two matrices. Is it possible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How? कसं पॉसिबल आहे सांगू शकाल? Is it possible multiplication? Suppose I want to take multiplication of these two matrix, matrix A into B, and data is stored suppose in C. Then is it possible?
No,
Or
sir.
B into it is not possible. Okay, see here. Suppose I want to do multiplication B into A. Now check. It is possible. Is it possible? First case is not possible. Okay. Check second case, possible or not possible. Possible or not possible?
No.
Not possible. For case first, multiplication is possible. A into B.
No.
How? Now size is changed. See, size of matrix B is changed.
B ला 2 कॉलम असले तर पॉसिबल होईल.
का 3 कॉलम असल्यावर होणार नाही का? सपोज अजून 2 मी कॉलम वाढवले इथं 1 2 3 देन 4 5 6. आता पॉसिबल का नाहीये? 2 कॉलमलाच का पॉसिबल आहे? 3 4 5 6.
मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना A चा फर्स्ट रो अँड B चा फर्स्ट कॉलम करावं.
एक मिनिट. ए ऑफला साईज किती आहे? 2/3 आणि बी चा एक मिनिट 2/3 आणि बी ची साईज किती आहे आता या कंडिशन नुसार 3/5 आहे. ए चा फर्स्ट रो आणि बी चा फर्स्ट
कॉलम.
कॉलम. ओके, हा फर्स्ट रो आणि हा फर्स्ट कॉलम. ओके, हे झाला फर्स्ट एलिमेंट मिळाला. परत फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम करू शकतोय.
Yes.
ओके, फर्स्ट रो
Yes.
सेकंड कॉलम करू शकतोय. त्याच्यानंतर सपोज फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम करू शकतोय.
Yes, sir.
ओके, फर्स्ट रो फोर्थ कॉलम करू शकतोय.
Yes. Yes,
करू
sir.
जसं फर्स्ट करू शकतोय, सेकंड करू शकतोय, तसं थर्ड फोर्थ नंबर ऑफ कॉलम जेवढे असतील तेवढे सगळे करावेच लागणार आहेत. मग इथं जर मल्टिप्लिकेशन का शक्य आहे? इट इज पॉसिबल. यस, इट इज पॉसिबल. A into B. Yes, possible. Then how it is possible? What is the condition? See this box and tell me what is here condition. One condition is written. See, see this box carefully. One condition is written here.
Column of first is equal to rows of first, second.
See, for multiplication you should have to check size of column. Size of column of first matrix should be same size of row of second matrix. These two are equal. Row from first matrix, column from first matrix and row from second matrix. Size of both should be same, and the resultant C, row from first matrix and column from second matrix, resultant should be like this. Did you get? समजलंय?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will take a program on matrix multiplication in next lecture. Now we'll stop here. Okay.